Hello everyone, welcome to NMAMIT YouTube channel. This video is done by Manish and Pawan B. Shetty of IS department. This is a 10-pin bowling game where a bowler sets the position of the ball using keys and then rolls the ball towards the pins to knock them out. The score will display the number of pins knocked out. So I have created three kinds of objects: bowling pin, bowling lane and the bowling ball. The screen layout is set to game logic and the rendering engine is set to Blender game. The game logic layout has appropriate options for a game setup. Physics allows you to play with gravity. Each object has unique physical properties. So let me show you the physical properties of the bowling lane, bowling pin and the bowling ball. First, the bowling lane. Its physics type is set to static because we don't want the plane to move when the ball is rolled. If it is set to rigid body, the bowling lane will fall off along with the bowling pin and the bowling ball. So we need to set it to static. Next, the physics type of the bowling pin is set to rigid body because we want it to react when the ball collides with the bowling pin. If it is set to static, there will there will be no movement. As you can see, the bowling pins won't react, so it is set to rigid body. The same applies to the spear or the bowling ball. It is also rigid body because we want the bowling ball to move when we hit the space bar button. We can change the position of the ball on pressing keys. This is done by adding keyboard sensor and then selecting adding motion actuator. So as you can see, there are three sensors, three message sensors for left arrow, right arrow and spacebar. Left arrow is used to move the ball towards left and right arrow is used to move the ball towards right, and spacebar is used to give initial velocity to the ball and move it. After the ball has been rolled, we want next ball ready to be rolled in position. For this we have to create another layer and add always sensor so that the ball is ready, and then we have to set edit object actuator. As you can see, I have connected always sensor and edit object actuator. Always sensor is useful if we want to trigger something at the beginning of the game or if we want something to always be happening. This also requires a message sensor. When a next ball message is sensed, a new ball is added to the scene. We also need something to send the message next ball, so we have to create a new plane, add collision sensor and message actuator with the subject as next ball. So the collision sensor is connected to actuator with the subject next ball. Now anything colliding with the plane results in next ball being sent. We can create just a single bowling pin and then create duplicates of it just by varying X, Y and Z values. The score specifies the number of pins knocked out. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.